Hello fly tyers, welcome to the Fanatical's fly tying moment. This is Aaron at the fly desk, and today I'm going to show you our Revo leech in a small size 12 black variation of it. And this fly we came up with here about a week ago, and we feel like it's going to revolutionize leech fishing. I have fished with leeches my whole life. Caught a lot of fish on leeches, especially in still water applications. And one day I was just thinking, how can I tie a more durable leech that's gonna hold together better and look a little more natural? And that's when we came up with the Revo leech. So to start off, we're going to use strung marabou, and like I've showed you in earlier videos, I actually like to get this soft part of the marabou down a little bit lower towards the stem of the feather. And for the Revo leech, I tie this marabou all the way up to the front. And the reason is we're going to cover this whole fly in some UV glue. The other thing I like to do is I never cut my marabou. I like to tear it because it gives it a way more natural buggy look. You don't have this sharp cut on it, and it looks a lot better in the water. This one will be kind of cool because it's got a little bit of white in there where the black dye must not have got it, but I think that'll give this fly some character. So once you get to this point, you simply wrap up. A lot of times I'll put some type of flash in my tail, but with the Revo leech, the body gives off enough of a, I don't even know what you'd call it, kind of a bright mirrory look. I'm guessing I won't need to put much in this tail to attract fish. So once we're to this point, I'm just going to whip finish. And trust me, we're not done yet. Although that fly probably would work. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get some of this Loon UV glue in thick, and I'm simply going to start tapering it onto this fly. So I'm going to do a little bit at the back. I'm going to go all the way up to the bead and just try to get it as smooth as I can. This fly works a lot better if you have a rotary vise, because we just layer this UV glue little by little. I'm actually going to go all the way. And that, my friends, is our Revo leech. So you can see it's got a nice glistening body and kind of a black underbody, which I think gives it a very, very natural leechy look. And my prediction is this thing's going to catch a lot of fish for us this year. So thank you for watching the Fanatical's fly tying moment with this simple, quick, easy rendition of our Revo leech, proven to revolutionize the way you fish with leeches. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe at the bottom. Thank you.